Grilling. Grilling is a type of cooking method which involves cooking food using radiant heat or direct heat. This heat can be provided from above, below, or from the side. When grilling, food is placed on a grill or grill pan, and the intensity of the fire or heat is typically high. This high heat helps to cook the food rapidly. It is best suited for pork chops, seafoods, hamburgers, hot dogs, and other thin cuts. Now, based on the direction of the heat, grilling may be of three types. Overheat grilling. As the name says, overheat means food is placed over or on the top of the heat source. As you can see in the picture, the grill bars which are under the food are preheated or brushed with fat or oil to avoid sticking food on the grill bars. You get grill marks and that mouth-watering char on the outside of your food. Next we have underheat grilling. Means the food is placed under or below the heat source. The heat radiates from above, cooking the food to a perfection. In United States, such underheat grilling where food is grilled below the heat source is called broiling. An example of overheat grilling equipment is salamander. Next we have between heat grilling. Here the heat source is on the both sides of the food. For example, think of how bread is grilled in a bread toaster. This is similar to that. This method ensures that your food is cooked evenly from all sides. Further, there is also a similar term to grilling, barbecuing. Sometimes the terms are used interchangeably. The very difference is that grilling is cooking food hot and fast, near about at 260 to 290 degrees Celsius, whereas barbecuing is cooking at low heat and quite a slow process, near about at 110 degrees Celsius. Barbecuing is about patience and allowing the flavors to develop over time. Barbecuing is generally done with indirect heat, as the heat source is connected to a chamber where meat is held, but meat is not directly over the flames like in grilling. Charcoal and wood are commonly used heat source for barbecuing, which also imparts a unique smoky flavor to the food, making it incredibly delicious. Whether you are grilling or barbecuing, adding fat is optional, not necessary. But using a little fat can enhance flavor and prevent sticking of food on grills or surface.